In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Google Tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to schedule a reminder that alerts you at the right time, right from inside your Gmail inbox. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Once your inbox loads, you're in the right place. We'll be using the right-hand side panel, which houses Google Tasks. If you don't see that panel, look for a small arrow along the right edge of the screen to expand it. Next, find the Tasks icon on that side panel. It looks like a blue circle with a white check mark inside. Click it to open Google Tasks. You'll see your task lists and any tasks you already have. This is where reminders live, so everything stays tidy and connected to your email and calendar. Now, click on the task you want to set a reminder for. This opens the task details view on the right. You'll see fields like the task name and list, and beneath that, options to add a date and time. If a task already has a date, you'll be able to adjust it here. Click the date and time option. A small scheduler will pop up. Start by choosing the date you want this reminder to happen. Pick the day on the calendar that aligns with when you want to be notified. You can set it for today, tomorrow, or any date in the future. After the date is selected, set the time. Choose the exact hour and minute you want to be reminded. You can toggle AM and PM if your account uses a 12-hour clock, or enter a 24-hour time if that's how your settings are configured. It's a good idea to pick a time when you know you'll be available to act on the task, so the reminder is truly useful. If this task repeats, you can edit the repeat settings. Click the repeat option to choose a schedule such as daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom interval. Adjust the pattern to match how often you need the reminder. This helps automate routine tasks without you having to set them up again and again. When everything looks good, click Done to save your reminder. Your task now has a scheduled alert, and it will sync across your devices connected to the same account. You'll see the date and time on the task, and you'll get a notification when it's due. That's it. You went to Gmail, opened Google Tasks, selected your task, set the date and time, adjusted repeat if needed, and saved it. You're all set to stay on top of your to-dos with timely reminders.